name is Andrea and I am the artist behind Evelyn Plume Art. Evelyn is actually my middle name. I just wanted to hop on and say hello, and let you know what's coming up, what my plans are for the channel. If you could share and subscribe and all the rest of the stuff, I would be so grateful. I've got about 10 subscribers at the moment. I'm not surprised because I haven't done a lot apart from some speed paints and things on the channel. But the plans are, we are currently kitting out an art studio in the garden. At the moment, as you can see, I'm in my living room. So yeah, that's why we need the art studio. And I'm planning doing tutorials, pastels, acrylics, a few different things. That's the plan anyway, is to do some tutorials. I'm going to start with not so much a tutorial. I'm going to do more of a process, like a walkthrough of how I do my pastel art. If you can see the leopard in the background there, that's my biggest pastel art to date. I'll pop a picture up on the screen, a better picture for you to see. Hopefully you can see him now, that way. And the first walkthrough that I want to do is a lovely picture of a stag with foliage and all sorts. I'm going to show you the line art now. I hope you can see him. Oh, there we go. And that is from a reference photo by Frances Crickmore. She's a great photographer and she's allowing me to use her pictures for my art. So yeah, that's the first one I want to do. I can't wait to get him started. I just wanted to let you know what the plans were, and if you would like to see some art tutorials, subscribe and hit the like button for me. It'll help me greatly to grow the channel. I realise it's a zero, nothing at the moment, but I'm hoping for big things to come. So hi, welcome, and I hope you enjoy what you see. Bye.